Welcome to Best Choice. The best modern decor is probably one of the most transformative elements for your living room, capable of instantly refreshing the space and reflecting your personal style. From sleek minimalist designs to bold, statement pieces, the right decor can dramatically enhance the ambience and functionality of your living area. In this video, we'll explore some fantastic options to help you create a stylish and inviting living room. Number 5. Homedics Silver Springs Tabletop Fountain. This tabletop fountain brings a calming, zen feel to any room. It's perfect for a desk, bathroom, or living room, adding a decorative touch wherever it goes. The three-tiered waterfall and natural stones create a gentle, soothing sound. The fountain features a quiet, built-in submersible pump. Simply fill the basin and enjoy. The pump circulates the water, keeping it clean. An on-off switch makes it easy to control. The Asian-inspired design includes 3 tiers for the water to cascade down. The deep basin enhances the tranquil sounds. A unique lighting feature creates a soft glow, adding to the relaxing ambience. Use this fountain to de-stress after a long day. The sound of the running water can help you relax before bed. It's also great for a baby's nursery or your workspace, promoting a sense of calm. Your purchase includes the Enviroscape Silver Springs Relaxation Fountain, natural river rocks, the 3-tiered design, a power cord, and an instruction manual. Everything you need for instant relaxation is included. What we like. This fountain creates a tranquil atmosphere with its gentle water flow. If you're looking to unwind after a long day or add a touch of serenity to your workspace, it's perfect for you. It's designed to bring peace and relaxation to any room. What people say. It is great for the price. Looks pretty nice, doesn't look cheap and raggedy, not super loud, but you can make it have a good amount of noise. You just have to play around with the rocks. She especially liked the sound it made, so soothing. I like the design of this table fountain and keep it running all the time. Number 4. Smart Robic LED Corner Floor Lamp. This innovative floor lamp features Robic technology, allowing you to customize colors for each segment. It's perfect for matching themes, festivals, or your current mood. The multicolor displays make it ideal for any occasion. Enhance your entertainment experience with dynamic lighting that reacts in real time. The LED lights synchronize with music, movies, or game audio. It adjusts colors and brightness to create an unforgettable atmosphere. Explore a vast spectrum of colors and dynamic scene modes. You can set the perfect ambience for any occasion, from summer celebrations to cozy evenings. Tailor the lighting effortlessly for a personalized experience. With a tool-free setup and a lightweight design, this standing lamp is easy to assemble and move around. It's perfect for any indoor space that needs a stylish lighting upgrade, such as your living room or game room. Manage your lighting effortlessly with the Bluetooth app or the included remote control. You can adjust brightness, colors, and effects, or set timers and schedules to suit your routine. Enjoy seamless control with just a few clicks. We confidently provide a worry-free guarantee on our products. Feel free to contact us anytime with questions or concerns. We are here to help you. What we like. This lamp offers dynamic lighting that reacts to your music and movies. If you are a gamer or love hosting parties, this is the perfect choice to create an immersive and personalized experience. It's easy to set up and control, making it a stylish addition to any room. What people say. The lamp was easy to assemble and was perfect for the space we needed. It comes with a physical remote control, see pictures, as well as a phone app if you want to use both. You can also control the lamp at the base using the buttons, again see pictures, so you have 3 different ways to turn this thing on and off. Its minimalist, modern design fits seamlessly into the corner of my room without being obtrusive. The light it provides is brilliant as accent or mood lighting. For everyday activities like reading, I appreciate the adjustable warm to cool white light, from as low as 2200K to 6500K, which is easy on the eyes. Assembly was straightforward and tool-free, so I had it up and running in just a few minutes. With 16 million customizable colors and over 68 preset lighting scenes, this lamp lets you tailor your ambience exactly how you like it. Whether you're relaxing with a book, enjoying a movie night, or leveling up your gaming experience, there's a mode for every occasion. Color transitions are smooth, and the light is vivid without being overwhelming. Number 3. Smiletag Ceramic Farmhouse Vase Set of 3. This set of 3 ceramic vases is perfect for adding a touch of elegance to any room. The minimalist design and neutral colors make it a versatile choice for various decor styles. It will effortlessly enhance your home. The vases come in 3 different sizes, allowing for creative arrangements on tables, shelves, or entryways. The largest is 9.05 inches tall, the middle one is 6.89 inches, and the smallest is 5.12 inches. Make sure to check the size before purchasing. The vases feature a low saturation beige and gray color scheme with a matte finish. This creates a calming and sophisticated look. The colors are designed to complement any home decor. Use these vases in multiple ways, as japandi, neutral, or minimalist decor. Place them on your table, bookshelf, or entryway. They are also great for dried flowers or pampas grass. This vase set makes a wonderful gift for any occasion. It's beautifully packaged and perfect for Mother's Day, birthdays, or housewarmings. It is sure to be appreciated. What we like. These vases feature a simple, elegant design that complements any decor. If you like a minimalist aesthetic or are looking for versatile pieces to enhance your home, it's a great choice. They are perfect for adding a touch of sophistication to any space. What people say. The wall art is exactly what I was looking for to complete my living room decor. The canvas prints are beautiful and the colors are vibrant. The size is perfect for over the couch. Number 2. OOIT Ceramic Vase Set of 3. This is the OOIT Ceramic Vase Set of 3. They are perfect for adding a touch of rustic charm to your home decor. This set is designed to enhance any space. The set includes vases of varying sizes, 8.3 by 3.15, 4.5 by 2.8, and 3.9 by 3.9. You can arrange them individually or together. They fit perfectly on a mantle, table, or shelf. These vases are ideal for both fresh and dried flowers. The waterproof coating inside allows you to keep fresh plants. They also look great with artificial plants, adding a finishing touch to your decor. Whether your style is bohemian, modern farmhouse, or rustic, this set fits in perfectly. They are designed to complement various decor styles, showcasing your unique taste. Looking for a housewarming, wedding, or anniversary gift? This vase set is an ideal choice. It's a thoughtful present that your loved ones will appreciate. OOIT is committed to providing high-quality home decor. We offer unique designs to ensure both quality and style. Contact us with any questions. What we like. This vase set brings a touch of rustic charm to your home decor. If you enjoy farmhouse style or love displaying fresh flowers, it's ideal for you. It's durable and versatile, making it a great addition to any room. What people say. Yes, the vases are relatively small, but they make a sizable impact in your home. The matted hues and color combination are gorgeous. They make really nice accent pieces on the windowsill above my kitchen sink. Love this set of ceramic pieces, so glad to have something in the house that is well crafted of natural products. The color combination is fabulous. The different shapes make an interesting statement. It is modern, yet reminiscent of earlier days, fits any decor, but I love contemporary. This little set is beautiful. It is matte and the colors are vibrant. Looks so much more expensive than it is. Great accent to your living room. Number 1. VIERENA 17.5 Eucalyptus Stems in Glass Vase. This beautiful arrangement features sage green artificial eucalyptus stems in a clear glass vase. The realistic faux water adds to the lifelike appearance, making it a perfect addition to any home. The eucalyptus leaves are made of high-quality plastic, providing a realistic look and feel. The vase is crafted from high-quality glass, adding a touch of elegance to the overall design. The arrangement stands at approximately 17.5 inches tall. The vase itself is 6.5 inches in height and 3.15 inches in diameter, making it a versatile piece for various spaces. This piece is perfect for adding a touch of nature to your home. It's ideal for kitchens, bathrooms, bookshelves, or any space that needs a fresh, green accent. It also makes a great gift. The eucalyptus stems may be slightly deformed during shipping. Simply adjust the leaves to restore their shape, or let it sit for a couple of days, and it will return to its original form. What we like. This arrangement offers a touch of nature with its realistic eucalyptus stems and faux water. If you want an easy, ready-to-use decoration that adds a fresh, green touch to your home, it's perfect. It's ideal for adding a touch of greenery to any space. What people say. The wall art is exactly what I was looking for to complete my living room decor. The canvas prints are high quality and look amazing. The colors are vibrant and the artwork is well made. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.